They say your thoughts create your reality, but it's more than just thinking. It's about becoming. It's about choosing your future before it even arrives. Manifestation isn't magic, it's focus, it's belief, it's action aligned with vision. Every day, the universe responds not to what you want, but to you are becoming. So, how do you manifest the life you truly desire? Here's how. Get clear. Don't just say, I want success. Say, I want to be a software developer. I want to lead a creative team. I want to wake up happy, doing what I love. Clarity is power. Vagueness gets you nowhere. Visualize. Close your eyes. See yourself living that life. Feel the excitement. Hear the sounds. Smell the success. Your brain doesn't know the difference between real and imagined. Train it to believe it will lead the way. Speak it. Affirm it daily. I'm becoming everything I dream of. I attract growth, peace, and opportunity. Words are vibrations. Speak them into your reality. Act as if. Walk like it. Talk like it. Work like it. Dress, think, and move like the version of you that already has what you want. Confidence isn't waiting, it's stepping into the future like it's already yours. Let go of how. Your job is not to figure it all out, it's to believe, show up, and keep moving. The how will unfold when the energy is right. And finally, gratitude. Be grateful for what's already yours and what's on the way. Gratitude shifts your frequency and brings more of what you are ready to receive. You are not powerless. You are not stuck. Your thoughts, your words, your actions, they are seeds. Plant them wisely and water them daily with belief. Because the future isn't something you wait for, it's something you build with every thought, every word, and every step. Make it yours. The time is now.